Take a ride in the 2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced, it drives quite comfortably, and comes with a lot of features. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, backup camera, lane departure warning, navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, aluminum wheels. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.